Ulcerative colitis is a type of inflammatory bowel disease. It's a chronic and relapsing disease of the large intestine that causes inflammation and ulceration in the lining of the bowel. Moving on to treatment, we tend to take a look at a number of different kinds of medications that are out there, and our number of treatments that have been available and are available hasn't changed so much over time, though I do think we're on the cusp of really making some important breakthroughs coming forward. In terms of long-term impact on the quality of life, for the management of any kind of chronic illness, it becomes the responsibility of the patient and their family to really do a bit of advanced planning. Make sure you don't run out of medicines, pack some additional personal supplies when on a long trip of some sort, knowing bathroom locations on the days when you're not feeling well, and it's very important to overcome certain features that otherwise are quite debilitating. Always important to have a terrific channel open to your doctor. Frequent questions that are worth asking is how much of your large intestine is involved. Always thinking about what treatment plan is best suited for you. You always want to have a discussion about potential side effects of your medicines. It's certainly worth having discussion on whether you should alter your diet or take supplements. And you really always need to know when your next colonoscopy should be for the purposes of cancer prevention. There are great resources that are available to you. The Crohn's and Colitis Foundation of America's website, www.ccfa.org, is really tremendous.